You know, we spent a lot of time talking about the gear that makes camping and adventure possible. Good boots, a solid tent, and the right backpack. But here's the thing, none of that matters if you're not sleeping well.
Exactly. After a long day of hiking and exploring, you need a real restorative sleep. So today we're doing something a little different. Origin Mattress sent us one of their mattresses to test out, and we're giving our honest thoughts.
We don't usually review indoor gear on LoveLeigh Adventures, but sleep is adventure fuel. Let's see what you think.
All right, we have a little special guest. She's so excited to try out her new bed. Can't wait. This thing, guys, is heavy. So we're going to give it a little push. All right, so we have it here where we can safely open it up because apparently you want to do it in a spot that's open like so. So there's only 4 steps here. Unbox the mattress, unroll along the width of your bed, carefully cut out the outer layer, and release and watch it expand.
It's a queen-sized bed.
A queen-size bed. We're super excited. We are over our last mattress completely. I'm gonna start from over here. Of course, I should not be cutting towards myself, but let's see. All right, cutting up nicely. Let's see how we need to get this thing out of here. Okay, so we're gonna need to flip it like so. All right. My goodness gracious alive. They gave us a little slicer. Let's see what's inside. It's time to take your sleep to the next level. Recommended by 20+ sleep experts. All right, let's get to the action. Let me place this in a spot that I know is going to be safe. I'm kind of scared because we're getting there. But let me get this up on first. It's very heavy. Yeah. Here, watch out, Bubba. Wow, this is incredible. I'm gonna stand on it and safely.
Magic carpet.
I know, I'm thinking it's probably like a little carpet ride. This is insane. This is actually really, really nice. And it took my fall very well. Very well. You've got to get a feel of this.
Well, it's very soft. And guys, after all these hikes and going on adventures and all the things that we do, we come home and our backs hurt so bad. Our necks hurt. And the last mattress that we had wasn't cutting it. Of course, wasn't from Origin. This one from Origin, the Lumbar Cloud. It's a whole game changer.
Honestly, going from that other one, just feeling this one, I know tonight is going to be a really good night's sleep just by the feel of this. It says it's cooling. There's a bunch of different things, which I'll name off in just a second, but it has a cooling effect. So as soon as you touch it, and if you're a hot sleeper at night, this might do. This might do. I'm excited to test it tonight.
Well, let's put some sheets on it and try it out.
And we got special new bed sheets and pillows and a new comforter just for this bed. So we're super stoked.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So, quick 1 week update. This mattress surprised us.
My neck doesn't hurt in the mornings anymore, and that alone sold me.
Same, way less stiffness, and we're sleeping deeper.
No sinking, no sagging. It has held up great.
So yeah, 1 week in, huge improvement.
If you're looking for a mattress that actually feels solid, check out Origin Mattresses. There's a link in the description where you can explore their options and get the details.
Thanks to Origin Mattresses for sending us the mattress to review, and thanks to you for watching and supporting LoveLeigh Adventures. It means everything.
We'll see you on the next one.
Get out there.